Okay, first question in lesson 5.7. It can be pretty confusing. We've got these things called Cuisenaire or Cuisenaire rods. Just a different way to learn fractions. So they've given you the numbers for each of these different colors. Okay, so they say that the browns are worth 1, and the red is worth 1/4, the green is worth 1/3. Each line represents a different number. So if we look at the top line here, we've got 1 brown, which is 1, plus 1 red, which is 1/4. So here we've got 1 and 1/4. So it's asking you just what subtraction question or problem is this set of rods representing? Well, I'll show you. Okay. So 1 and 1/4. So I'm just going to come over here and write, say, okay, that's 1 1/4. Good. That is represented here by these two rods, 1 and 1/4. Now for the bottom, remember that the browns are 1, so that's 1, 2, and of course you've got a green, which is 1/3, so that's 2 and 1/3. So we're just going to come over here and put that 2 and 1/3. Okay? That's supposed to be 3. It's pretty messy, but that's what that is. 1 and 1/4 on top, 2 and 1/3 on the bottom. Now the way these rods work, at least in our diagram that we have, is that the top set of rods is being subtracted from the bottom. Okay? So if we're going to set this up as a subtraction, we just take our bottom set of rods and subtract the top. So bottom set of rods in numbers, 2 and 1/3, and you're going to go ahead and subtract 1 and 1/4. Okay? So I'm giving you the answer for 1A, just because it's very confusing, and I thought we could just work on that together. So I'm giving you the answer for 2A. 2B, you can go ahead and work that out yourself. All it's asking you to do in 2B is just go ahead and solve for the difference here. So 2 and 1/3 minus 1 and 1/4. Remember, you're going to need to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions, and then find a common denominator, and then of course subtract them and get your answer. Okay, make sure that when you get your answer, you're in lowest terms, and if it's an improper fraction, you're changing it to a mixed number. Okay, and that should take you through both 1A and 1B for lesson 5.7.